One story that got me hooked today started inside the Supreme Court of India. It involves a sweater trader from Ludhiana, a public interest litigation, and artificial intelligence. And the hearing that followed was quite unusual. A Ludhiana-based hosiery trader named Rajneesh Sidhu had filed a public interest litigation related to the PM Cares Fund. Sidhu appeared in person before the court. He told the judges that he had studied till class 12 and runs a hosiery business selling sweaters. But the moment the hearing began, something felt strange. The petition he had filed contained complex legal arguments and constitutional language. So the court began to wonder, did he actually write this petition himself? To test this, the Chief Justice pointed to a phrase written in the petition, fiduciary risk of corporate donors. Then he asked Sidhu to explain what it meant. Sidhu couldn't. He tried reading from his notes, but he wasn't able to explain the term. At that point, the court suspected the petition had not been written by him. When questioned further, Sidhu admitted something interesting. He said he had used 3 to 4 AI tools to help draft the petition. He explained that he could not afford a lawyer, so he tried using artificial intelligence to prepare the document. The judges were clearly not impressed. They said the petition contained vague and irresponsible allegations, and they dismissed the case. Before closing the hearing, the Chief Justice gave him a blunt piece of advice. Go back to Ludhiana and sell a few more sweaters. But this wasn't the only strange PIL. In fact, the Supreme Court of India has recently been expressing serious concern about a rising number of frivolous public interest litigations. Just a few days ago, the court dismissed another unusual petition. A lawyer had asked the court to form a committee to research whether onions and garlic have tamasic or negative qualities. The judges were clearly puzzled. At one point, the Chief Justice even asked the lawyer, do you draft these petitions at midnight? According to the court, many PILs today are being filed without proper research or legal grounding. Some appear to be filed simply to attract attention, and that worries judges. Because India's legal system is already dealing with a massive backlog of cases. Frivolous petitions only add more pressure. The Ludhiana trader's case also raises a different question. He said he used AI because he could not afford a lawyer. And today, AI tools can generate structured documents, legal arguments, and research summaries. So for someone who doesn't have access to expensive legal help, AI might look like a way to approach the courts. And that raises an uncomfortable question. Will AI create more nuisance litigations, or will it actually make the legal system more accessible? And that's the story that got me hooked today.